Konnichiwa, minasan. Welcome to PG Learning Hub. I'm Pravin Gurung, and I'm excited to have you here. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, you're in the right place to master the Japanese language. On this channel, we cover everything from basic hiragana and katakana to kanji, grammar, conversation practice, and much more. We provide high-quality content designed to make learning Japanese fun and engaging. Our videos are presented in both Japanese and English, so all of my global friends can learn comfortably and effectively. In addition to regular lessons, you'll find special segments where we dive deep into Japanese culture, idioms, and even anime-style video content. Make sure to check out our playlist for step-by-step guides on writing hiragana and katakana with perfect stroke order. And don't forget to watch our conversation practice series, which is perfect for building your speaking and listening skills. I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Also, follow us on Facebook Reels for more Japanese language tips and engaging content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Your feedback is always welcome and helps us create better content for you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's embark on this exciting journey of learning Japanese together. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to PG Learning Hub and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimashita and mata ne. See you soon. You.